Name of the vendor that I'm working with today is Hairinbeauty. The link to their store and the link to this hair is going to be down on the info section. So I received 4 bundles of their straight mink hair, 224, 122, 120 and a 20-inch closure. So before I go on, I just want to talk about this hair a little bit because I love this hair. This is definitely one of those hair that I love so much. It is very, very soft. I experienced no tangling whatsoever with this hair. Shedding was very minimal. Later on in the video, you're gonna see me combing through this hair with a tiny rat tail comb, and nothing came out of this hair. The hair is amazing. So I just went in to make my wig with the bundles. This is not a tutorial, so I'm not really showing you how to make a wig. I'm just like gonna breeze through the whole process. So I went in to make my wig. And this is the finished look of the wig. As you can see, it is really long. For 24-inch, it is very long and it flows really well. So this is the hair straight out of the pack. I didn't co-wash it or anything, and I'm just going in to use my heat protecting spray to spray around the hair, and I'm just gonna go in to flat iron it. I am flat ironing the hair the lazy girl way. Yeah, I call it the lazy girl way because I am just going in bit by bit. I do that option where you have to like section the hair. Yeah, kind of always do my things the lazy girl way, but anywho. So I just went in to flat iron the hair, and this hair is just pretty. It blew me away. And yeah, so as you can see, this is it. And yeah, see how it flows really well? Yes, that's it. So yeah, I'm just going in and I'm just gonna install the wig. And yeah, about my lighting, the lighting kind of like messed up the part. This is not how the part is. I'm in a different location right now, so I'm still trying to get my lighting straight. Yeah. So as you can see, there's the reflection and it just kind of like messed with the parting a little bit. So if you see that kind of like orangey look right now, that's not really what the parting looks like. The parting is perfect. It's just the lighting, and eventually I'm gonna have that fixed, you know, just still trying to get the hang of it, you know, just trying to get in the perfect spot in my room. So yeah, I just combed through the hair and there was no shedding at all. As you just saw, no shedding at all, no tangling. This hair flows like the waters. Oh my god, yes. So I recommend this hair. It is very pretty. You're gonna love it. And like I said, the name of the vendor is Hairinbeauty. This link to their store is going to be down on the info section, as well as all the details on this hair. So pretty much that is all you need to know about this hair. It is the straight hair. As you can see, I have on 4 bundles and a closure, 224, 122, 120 and a 20-inch closure. So yeah, that'll be all for now. Thank you all so much for watching, and don't forget to click the link down below to get all the details on this hair. And until my next video, bye.